Hi Sagittarius, today I'm going to do general reading. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video guys, then it will reach more people. And thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone need a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. First we will see general messages regarding your career and finances. Then we will see love messages. So Sagittarius, fire sign, sun, moon, rising and Venus. So recent, past, present, future. Your present energy, Six of Cups, under the deck, Ten of Wands. So right now you are focusing on healing here because Six of Cups, you are healing your inner child uh, because your first priority is your mental peace, Sagittarius. And right now you are having very good environment in your office or business here. And Ten of Wands, why you want to heal, why you want peace, because you are taking too much burden on your shoulders. Ten of Wands under the deck, so don't take overburden. If you are feeling uh, physically or emotionally overburdened, it's time to take charge of your life. Okay, take burden as much as you can. Okay, so let's see recent past, the sun with devil. In recent past, you obsessed over success. You got your success. You got material success. You you are happy. You got abundance. Everything was fine in recent past. But the devil energy was there. Devil energy sometimes was good, but sometimes not good. If it's obsession, okay. But if it's become addiction, addicting to some bad habits, it's not okay. So take care of that. Present, the magician with nine of wheels. So the present, you are in the magician energy, so you can manifest whatever you want. So be clear about your thoughts and intentions, because whatever you are thinking repeatedly, those thoughts are going to manifest. So take care of your thoughts. And nine of wheels means you want to be financially independent. Okay, you don't want to depend on anyone financially, so you're really working hard and you are manifesting that. So lots of you successfully already manifested it. If not, you are going to. So climb this energy. Future, page of swords with full energy. In future, you will wonder what to do next in your career, regarding your career or job. You will wonder about options, but take action. Okay, don't waste your time by just wandering alone. And the fool is all about opportunities or options. You will have a lot of opportunities, so you have to pay attention and you have to be in a receiving mode. And the fool is all about, you need to focus only in present. Don't think about your past and future a lot. Just try to focus only on present. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding your career and finances. King of Wands, the Hermit, and Nine of Wands. Again, in near future, you will face some obstacles, but you will not giving up, because Nine of Wands, you will overcome whatever obstacles will come. And the Hermit means you will more focus inward rather than outward. And some of you're going to start your spiritual journey also. And King of Wands, it's all about focusing more on yourself, investing energy on yourself, taking care of your physical and mental health, which are very, very important. So let's see love messages. So your person current thoughts. your current thoughts, your person present energy, and your present energy. Under the deck, Three of Swords. Some of you are in separation right now. Your person present energy is Eight of Wheels, Eight of Pentacles. So definitely they are in very, very serious thinking here. They're seriously thinking about you. And their current thoughts, King of Wands, Seven of Wands, and the Emperor. So they're thinking about the obstacles in this relationship. They have a lot of passion and they are very, very attracted to you. Maybe your person is being stubborn with you, but inside they're seriously thinking about you, Sagittarius, because right now you both are facing some obstacles in your relationship, especially for those who are in separation. So your person want to overcome those obstacles, okay? And your present energy is Three of Wheels, which means you want partnership, equal give and take here. And your current thoughts, Knight of Swords, Seven of Swords, and the Sun. You want this relationship, you want to communicate with this person, but you have some trust issues here. Seven of Swords. Or you're hiding something, but lots of you have some trust issues because you literally want this person, you really want to spend some quality time with your person. But one thing you want is equal give and take. And right now, some of you are in separation, you're both missing each other a lot. And lots of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, lot of fire energies here. And some of you are dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energies here. And some of you are dealing with especially Leo, fire sign. Now let's see your person next action. Let's see your person next action. Ace of Cups, Three of Cups, the Star, under the deck, Page of Swords. So your person next action definitely want a new beginning, or they are going to express their feelings here. They want to spend some quality time with you. Right now they're spying you, they're watching you, but soon they want to spend some quality time with you. And they really want to fix things with you if you have any differences. If you don't have any differences, definitely they want to spend some quality time with you. So let's see what is the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed. Two of Cups, Four of Pentacles, Six of Cups, and Page of Pentacles. Definitely heart-to-heart conversations. You both will realize you both are meant to be together. But one person still holding their self back, but that person is also going to open up here. So let's clarify the outcome. King of Swords, Six of Pentacles, and Page of Swords. Under the deck, Six of Swords. Lots of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energies here. So definitely you both will think or discuss about equal give and take, treating everyone equally, especially regarding this relationship, and some important communication is going to take place. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding this relationship or situation. Five of Swords, which means you will have some regrets thinking about the past. So don't think about your past, let go of your past. A new beginning, a new start is coming. If you want to start something new, this is the right time and high time. And you need to heal yourself. Healing is very, very important. So let's see energy oracle messages. The temple path, whatever path you are taking right now, it's a good path. And all tied up. Maybe right now some circumstances or people are not in your way. Everything is stuck, but every situation is temporary. And healer of the ages. So you have the power to heal others. Before that, you need to heal yourself completely. Look at the bigger picture, full moon in Sagittarius. Some of you are dealing with another Sagittarius. So you have to see things in different perspectives And the answers you need are coming full moon in Gemini. Some of you are dealing with Gemini air sign. So the answers you are searching for long period are coming here. Chemistry, there is a strong magnetic attraction here. So definitely you and your person have strong magnetic attraction. Playfulness, to recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine and release your ex. The time has come to clear your energy. For those who want to release your ex, the message here is the time has come. You have to clear your energy. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. If anyone need a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. Thank you so much.